Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Today I am going to tell you guys about how to connect Android mobile with your laptop. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open settings on your laptop. Then in system settings, select projecting to this PC. Here in this section, now change always off to available everywhere in the first tab. In the second tab, change from every time to first time only, and in the third option never remains the same. Now the laptop settings are done. Open your Android phone and go to notifications panel. Now turn on cast or screen mirror option. It might be different in different phones, so select accordingly. After that, all the devices near you will appear on your screen and you simply have to select the device which you want to connect. Now it will ask permission on your laptop screen. Select yes, and now the Android mobile is connected to your laptop. Now you can use your mobile on a big screen. So that's it guys, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.